Unlock the full potential of your Aberlink CMM with PolyWorks, an advanced metrology software designed to streamline and optimize your inspection process. PolyWorks supports a wide range of native CAD formats, ensuring seamless integration into your workflow. No conversions, no limitations. With intelligent PMI import, PolyWorks goes beyond CAD compatibility. It fully assesses your model, automatically generating features, datums, dimensions, and control views, so you can focus on results, not setup. Run offline simulations with confidence. Visualize every movement before execution, preventing costly errors and ensuring your programs are right the first time. Advanced collision detection keeps your CMM running safely. Avoid unnecessary downtime and protect your investment with automated path verification. Optimize every measurement program effortlessly. PolyWorks intelligently places features in their optimal location, selects the best tool alignments, and plans the most efficient path, fully automated for maximum productivity. Powered by a PTB-certified GD&T engine, PolyWorks delivers the accuracy and compliance you need for even the most demanding geometric dimensioning and tolerancing requirements. PolyWorks and Aberlink, the perfect combination for precision, efficiency, and innovation. Upgrade your metrology process today.